Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today we are covering our brand new custom direct-to-film transfer UltraColor Max. Now today we are going to chat about how it's going to fit into your t-shirt printing business or brand, and then we'll even cover a few different ways that you could order it. Are you ready? I am. Let's roll. If you are new to Transfer Express, we are the world's largest supplier of screen printed and digital heat transfers, heat presses, free customizable designs, wholesale apparel, and expert advice to help grow your t-shirt business. If you haven't already, subscribe. We are kicking out new videos right here on the Transfer Express YouTube channel like this one every single week. Now, UltraColor Max is awesome for those smaller quantity orders, any graphics with high color counts, or full color photorealistic artwork. It's great because it prints on 100% cotton, 100% poly, those cotton poly blends, or even tri-blends, and you could print huge, full-size graphics up to 22 by 22 inches. I absolutely love the UltraColor Max because it's a hot peel and a super simple single-step application. Of course, you could order graphics as low as a 1/4 inch and all the way up to that 22-inch sizing that I mentioned earlier. You have unlimited colors. You could do tons of fine detail. There's no clear outlines around any of the images, and we print a white base behind it for bright and opaque colors on any color garment. It does apply at that low 290-degree temperature to reduce scorching on those heat-sensitive garments like 100% polyester, and there is no weeding. You don't have to weed at all. These transfers come ready to apply for you. Let's just use a ballpark 11 by 11 inch image to get some super simple pricing. 11 by 11 inches at 6 cents per square inch is going to put us at $7.26 per image. $7.26 per image, remember that one. Now, with Goof Proof, our Goof Proof comes on an 11 1/4 inch by 14 inch gang sheet, so you could fit that 11 by 11 for 12 quantity at a one color at our Easy Prints pricing. That brings the entire sheet to $5.21 each. Even if you have two colors in your design, a 2-color Goof Proof with the Easy Prints pricing at 18 quantity is going to put us at $7.04 per image. So still lower than that $7.26, and you have all of that extra space for pretty much free printing for, again, those inside tag prints, or sleeve prints, cap prints, left, chest, or your own branding or other customers' artwork. Now, when we're talking about those full color graphics or fine detail, the gradients, if you have those in your design, you're going to have to switch over to UltraColor Soft at those higher quantities. Now, UltraColor Max, the direct-to-film transfers, are much more economical, all the way up to 36 quantity. And when you hit 36 quantity, judging by that 11 by 11 pricing, that's when it's much more economical and you can maximize your profit margins by switching over to UltraColor Soft. Now, as you can see, UltraColor Max is incredibly versatile and fits into almost any job. But you want to know how to order it? Let's head on over to EasyView Online Designer right here at transferexpress.com, and I'll show you how you could easily order and configure your own UltraColor Max direct-to-film heat transfers. The first thing we're going to do when we get into EasyView Online Designer right here is going to go ahead and switch our print method over to full color so that we have the option for our whole UltraColor line. Now, UltraColor Max is going to be right here. We'll go ahead and select UltraColor Max. Now, you notice that the artboard completely disappears, like this 11 1/2 by 18 inch artboard that we had for UltraColor Soft. If we switch this over to Max, that completely disappears because you could order that size from a 1/4 inch up to 22 by 22 inches. So really, really cool. Let's just start adding layout. The first option that you could use to order these transfers is using the entire catalog of Easy Prints artwork that is preloaded into EasyView Online Designer. There are tons of layouts and even a whole bunch here in full color that you could choose from. So just like this, I added multiple images into this sheet. I could zoom out a little bit, and with any of our layouts here in EasyView Online Designer, it's easy to just double click and change the text. And all you have to do is then confirm, and it'll switch all of this out. If you wanted to change the font, of course you could change the font as well. Let's make it something a little bit more trendy here. Perfect. And we'll change this to the Falcons. So you can see that all of these layouts here in EasyView Online Designer are completely editable. So this puts the power of our entire artwork catalog right at your fingertips. So let's say we have these two images in here that we pulled from our online design catalog. One is 10.5 by 11 inches. You could always see your sizing when you select the objects here on the left side, and this little one here, 11 inches by 4 inches. Now right here, say we needed 12 of each of these, we could keep these grouped together here and just select our quantity at the bottom to 12. It's going to tell us how much our image is going to be priced. And remember, it's combining both of these, and then we're going to be at $127.44, or about $10 for both of these images. Of course, if you want to see just straight pricing for one of them, you could look at them as well. If we needed 12 of this, it's $79.92, $6.66 per each one of these images at this size. Of course, you could see this change if we were to adjust our size down to 4 inches, like a left chest print. You could see that it does adjust our pricing here to about $2 per image, but it's going to warn us that we need to increase our order quantity to remove the minimum charge. Now, the minimum charge is $25 on this product. We're gonna have to bump our quantity up to 24 to avoid the $25 minimum. So you could see that at 4 by 4 inches, we're about $1 per image, and with 24 of them, we're at $25 total out the door. Now, of course, not everybody's going to be using our artwork catalog with all of those pre-made layouts, custom templates, and clip art. What you can do if you have your own artwork is, again, in EasyView Online Designer, just select the Upload Your Art button, or over here on the left-hand side, you'll see Upload. And we'll select the artwork that we want to use. Here, we'll pick a PDF file, and you'll see that it starts importing into here, and it's going to give you some options when you are importing raster or bitmap images, and allow you to have a little bit of control on those if you were using a screen printed design. Or for this, we could just say keep original. Now it's going to ask us if we want to do a spot color or full color count. We're just going to do full color, and we'll import this in as a full color image. And just like that, now we could adjust our pricing. Say we need 20 of these, and it's going to put our pricing up to $49.20. And there you see your artwork imports in there. And then you could scale this to any size. So say if we needed to make this 10 inches, of course we could scale it up, and our pricing adjusts accordingly here. Now, you could also go in and add any of the artwork in EasyView Online Designer, or say you just needed to add some text. You have all of the controls that EasyView Online Designer is known for, and you could add it to your own artwork super easy. Now you could order that just the same with the UltraColor Max transfers. Import multiple pieces of artwork if you wanted to gang sheet these up as well. Say we'll take this full field trip graphic and bring it on into the designer, and it'll import and open in the image editor. Here we'll say keep original as well. We'll select it to full color and not change anything. Now we have this one pulled in as well, but we could resize it to any size we want, or maybe we just need 2 of these up on the sheet. We could copy and paste it and put them both on the sheet here. So we have a total sheet size then of 16 by 11 inches. And we could order them in any quantity that we needed. If you just needed, let's say 3 of these, that's perfectly fine. And you'll see that your order total is always calculating here at the bottom. It'll tell you your ship date as well. Now, of course, if you have your images already ganged up together, you could upload them that same exact way. And as long as you save them out at size, say you're doing a full 22 by 22 inch sheet, you could upload that full 22 inch by 22 inch sheet right here into the online designer. or the upload page at transferexpress.com. Now there is one last thing I want to show you as you walk through the entire setup here in EasyView Online Designer. As we're ready to purchase, we could click to the next screen and even into our review stage. So it's going to tell you what the total size of your design is here on the left-hand side, what your total quantity selected is, and in this middle step, you could also select what garment you're going to be printing on to ensure 100% compatibility. So we're just going to say cotton, and we'll move to the last step. Now, on this last step, there is a heat map option. So it is going to tell you if there's any details or text that is too small and may not print properly. Even if it does print properly, through several washes, it may start to fail. So we just want to warn you of these areas up front, and you'll see here as I zoom in, there's a few areas that are on the corners that are pink, and that's just showing you that they could be trouble areas. For the most part, everything else looks fantastic on this image, and you could kind of scan around to ensure that everything looks good and no major text or elements of your design are dropping out. We want you to have confidence in UltraColor Max to represent your brand, so we want these to print the best they can. So if you want those areas edited, you could just click Needs Artist Attention right here at the bottom of the screen, or can be printed as is. In this case, where we just have tiny little elements on the edges, we're going to be A-OK, can be printed as is. For $32, we're going to get 3 full sheets of all of these images that we see here, and we could say approve as is, and that will add it to our cart. And that's it. That's how easy it is to order UltraColor Max transfers at transferexpress.com. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, reach out to us. You could always leave a comment below or email us at info@transferexpress.com. Of course, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. We are dropping new videos like this one every single week that are built solely to help you and your t-shirt business succeed. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.